हेलो गाइस, कैसे हैं आप सब। आज मैं आपको सिखाऊंगी रिसोर्स यूटिलाइजेशन एंड डेवलपमेंट। सो लेट्स गो। वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो लाइक, कमेंट, सब्सक्राइब, शेयर करना मत भूलना। What are resources? Resources are the things which are necessary for our existence on the earth. Now we will learn about the classification of resources, means different type of resources. Renewable resources, the resources which can be renewed either naturally or by the human efforts. Non-renewable resources, the resources which cannot be renewed. Renewable resources are known as inexhaustible resources. Here are the examples of both resources. And non-renewable resources are known as exhaustible resources. Potential resources, available resources in a country which are fully tapped are known as potential resources. The resources which have been thoroughly surveyed and developed in a country are known as actual resources. For example, Saudi Arabia has 25.9% of the world oil reserves. Resources which are obtained from the biosphere and have life are known as biotic resources. All the non-living resources are known as abiotic resources. Resources available from the nature in the form of water, minerals, forest are known as natural resources. The resources created by human beings to satisfy their basic needs are known as man-made resources. Factors on which utilization of resources depend are availability of resources, skill of human beings, availability of capital, availability of water, advancement of technology, availability of transport and communication facilities. What is sustainable development? The development which takes place without damaging the environment is known as sustainable development. What is conservation? Sustainable and optimum utilization of resources is known as conservation. Things to remember. Material used to satisfy human needs, they are known as resources. Resources which cannot be renewed are non-renewable resources. Resources created by human beings are man-made resources. Resources which are surveyed and developed are known as actual resources. Sustainable and optimum utilization of resources is known as conservation. It's done guys. Please like, share, subscribe and comment my video. Stay home, stay safe, study from home with me. Bye bye.